Hello watcher and subscribers. Here our program is palindrome string. So here we should understand what exactly palindrome string. So palindrome string means the original string and the reverse string. If they are equal, then it's a palindrome string. So by using this input statement, user will enter the string and it will store in the variable name. So here we will take one variable equals to null value, and then we will take here for loop for making the string into the reverse order. So for that, I in original string is name. So here the variable I will take one by one character from the name, and here we will write str equals to I plus str. It will make the string in reverse order. And then at the end you have to do comparison. If that reverse string exactly equals to name, then here we have to print the message the string is palindrome. Otherwise the string will not be palindrome. So that message we have to put here. So I am putting here not message. So our code is completed here, and the main statement is this one. So we just check the output first. So enter string ASA I am putting, so it will show palindrome. And if I take a different string value like GGH, so it is not. So this statement will make the string in reverse order. So how it make exactly, that I will show you by taking the help of output statement. We will print the value str so that you can understand the logic easily. So if I enter ASA, then it's a palindrome, and you see the initial value of that str is A, because str equal to I plus str. I will take the first character from string, so it will take this A, so that's the reason the output of str is A. So str will become A, then next character it will take S. I will take the next character S, and it is added at the beginning of str, so it will become SA. Then in the next pass str will become SA, and I take the next character value, that is the last A, and it is added at the beginning, so it is ASA, so it will convert into the reverse one. If I take the other string like SU, then what happen, it will take first S and next one is U, so it is added at the beginning, so US. So US is what, reverse, and they are not equal, so it is what, not message. So in this way that logic will work out here. So we will make this in the comment, and you can search out whether the string is palindrome or not. So I hope, dear student, you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.